Yep, I have received a few quotes from other company, but price-wise, Esteem's price was really reasonable, and that's the reason I chose them.
We had a bunch of leaking problems with the tiles where water would drip downstairs. And also the bathroom was starting to look really old and outdated.
Well, they did a fantastic job. They promised whatever they promised, they did it on time.
The communication with the team was very effective, they were very transparent, and whenever we had questions, they were always there to answer.
Yes, we are happy.
Yes, we were here.
Oh yes, of course we will